I want to show you what this is. Uh, so this is a stone die that I made. Uh, this is my solution for a question that people have addressed in all kinds of different ways over the years. Um, so it has to do with, with dice and probability and whatnot. Anyway, so if you have a coin, it has two sides. So if you flip a coin, there's a 50% chance that it'll be either one or the other. Um, then if you have, uh, let's see, a six-sided die like this, no regular old die. Um, it's a 1 in 6 chance, which comes out to 16.6 repeating. Or I just call it a 17. Just you know what I mean. Let's see. If you have a 10-sided die, well, let's see. It's gonna look like that, and then two of those. It, it's a tough thing to draw, I guess, but if you have 10-sided die, that means you have a 10% chance that it's gonna land on any side. Well, there is a separate part in there. Okay, you get two sides and six sides, and then well, there's also a four-sided die. So you have four triangles, and then that's a 25%. There's a 25% chance that it'll land on any one of those sides. Um, I don't think there's a five-sider necessarily, though you can try to solve that one too if you like. But people have tried to come up with, well, I got thinking about what's a 33 then? A 1 in 3 chance. How do you solve that one? And I'll give you one example of a solution that I saw to it, which was fun to see. It looks kind of like a prism, and then they just kind of rounded off these edges a little bit so it kind of rolls. And it has three equilateral sides, but you roll it. You don't spin it, or it has one kind of one direction that you can roll it, and then you get a 1 in 3 chance. It's a 33% die. So then when I got thinking about this, I started thinking of, I came up with this die where basically I've used 1 and 2 and 3, and in two different colors. So yeah, I just marked them like that, and then I have that in red and in white. So this die that, like I say, is cut out a chunk of stone. This one can be used three different ways. You can use it as a 50-50 if you roll by color. If you roll the die and you say, well, I'm calling red, and it lands on red or white, that's a 50-50. So this die can be used as a 50. And then you can call one color high and one color low. So let's say it's 1 and 2 and 3, and then it goes to 4, 5, 6. So then you can use it as 17 as well. And then also, if you just use the number itself, I'm going to try to roll a 2. And then you have a 33% chance. There's there's 2 1s, 2 2s, and 2 3s, which comes out to 33%. So there's a die that I made. That was my solution to the 33% question. Um, and there's more elegant solutions to this than I have come up with, I'm sure, but I really have had fun time with this because just cutting stone is enjoyable, and then also see if I can get this in here. That I cut the marks in with the stone saw too. You see, and this thing isn't, of course, it's not well balanced or uh, everything can be made much more precise with better tools, but I enjoy this anyway. It's entertaining and fun, enjoyable activity. There you have it. That's my solution for 33% die.